How to activate Cash App Afterpay new method. So, if you want to go ahead and activate your Cash App, it's really simple to do so. Now, to activate Afterpay, what you simply need to do is obviously you want to make sure that you have the common eligibilities. Now, if you previously made purchases with an existing Afterpay account, they're still available in the Afterpay app. Current purchases you make with Afterpay on Cash App will only be available on Cash App. So if you're an existing Afterpay customer, continue managing your Afterpay section. So just like this, you're going to come over to your Cash App as we are over here. You're going to go over to your account, go to your linked banks. Now, in your linked banks, you should generally find your Olama, but you're going to link your bank using your debit card. So once you add your debit card into Cash App, go over to any web store. And once you go to a web store, from there, they're going to give you different payment methods. So in the payment methods, they're also going to give you Afterpay. So once you've added your debit card onto Cash App, access Afterpay for yourself and add the same debit card, and it should be cut from your Cash App. And that is how you can activate Afterpay in the simplest way. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.